this area in the window here. Okay, here in the light there are a couple of holes in the ceiling, small holes that could have been put there by a BB. 1, 2. I have not taken measurements. But it could have been done by the shattering of a bullet containing BBs. Again, 1, 2 small holes. These are located just approximately a foot or so from the left side of the window. Hold on a minute! Here is an area in the plaster that appears to have been built up. You can see the rigidness of the plaster in the area, as though it looks as though a hole has been patched. This hole being almost in line with the speaker. Here there does appear to be a line going across the ceiling here. You can see a line there. It's enough! There appears to be some holes here. Another line. Right here. There appear to be a couple of more lines going here. Going this direction. Whoops. An explanation as to where possibly the rest of the BBs could have gone from the upper gunshot hole. It's very possible that these BBs could have spread, some going into the ceiling or ricocheting off of the ceiling. Some of them could have spread into the border or trim of the ceiling, where there are several sporadic. Some of them appear to be nails. Some of them could have been nails put in place to cover up holes that could have been from BBs. I do see an area where the possibility of some of these are just indentations. Some of them are actual holes, or holes being covered up by nails, all along this border here. I am going to, here there appears to be something possibly inside there other than a nail. As you can see, it will shine. I intend to try to retrieve what I think may possibly be a BB. Apparently there was nothing there that I could find without possibly removing the complete nail, although I will show you how a lot of these nails are sporadically placed along this trim. What the purpose of the builder would be to sporadically place those, I don't know. That's why my theory is that it could be a possibility of a cover-up. There could have been holes there with BBs inside. Instead of removing the BBs, someone could have just placed nails on top of those. It's very possible there could be maybe BBs lodged somewhere underneath this panel in the ceiling.
Just 2 days, that's all.
Here is an area in the paneling that has been either scratched out by something. I'm not sure what or why. Which is right above the curtain.
She'll be an expert in no time. Check it out. Well, how do you make it go?
You know, I'm ready.
Right. I mean, that house.
Fine little Marley in the first room, huh?
It's mine. But this is a local boy. Luke. You know, I was kind of hungry, but then I smelled something stinky. It must have been the big cheese. Perhaps another time. Yeah, like never.
Here is an area in the corner of the wall that appears, as though there could be a possibility of something hitting here, in this area here, and then ricocheting off and sliding downward, as you see here. Again, it appears as though something may have hit at this point. Hush! It may have hit at this point, ricocheted downward, and scraped that corner there. It's very possible there could be a BB located somewhere underneath this area. It's possible it either went behind this picture, or I may find it somewhere in this stuff that was in the corner. Okay, my son's guitar. Alright, apparently something hit and ricocheted off of this corner here and went downward. And my son's guitar was sitting here on the floor. And there are nicks in the back of the guitar. And then there's one. And there's two. And there are some there. You can see that that came from something going in, flowing in a circular motion. As you see the streaks and scratches at the point of impact. There's a scratch. And there's a nick. It's very possible there could be some BBs somewhere on the floor. Here's the nick in the corner of the wall on the east side of the room. As you see here, there appears to be a nick in the wall, and there are several of these nicks. As you work your way down the wall, as though something had been coming downward. Here's one. Shoot. Okay. Here's one. Here's one. Here's one. It looks as though the wall was peeled from an upward direction going downward, starting at the top, working its way downward. As you can see. There are several of these nicks. There's one. There's one.